Are you a beginner looking for transcription jobs? If so, you're in the right place. Transcription jobs have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially for beginners. Why, you ask? Well, they offer flexibility, convenience, and the opportunity to earn from the comfort of your home or anywhere else you choose. If you're just starting out, you need companies that understand your level and are willing to give you a chance to grow and improve your skills. That's why we've compiled a list of 12 transcription companies that are hiring beginners in 2020. We will delve into each company, including where they're located, how to apply, and their pay rate per hour. We've done the legwork, so you don't have to. All you need is to listen, learn, and take the next step. Stay tuned as we start to uncover these companies one by one. First on our list is Rev, a company based in San Francisco. Known for its commitment to providing flexible work-from-home opportunities, Rev has made a name for itself in the transcription industry. To apply, you'll need to head over to their website and fill out an online application. This includes a grammar quiz and a transcription test to assess your skills. Don't be intimidated though, they are looking for beginners, so it's all about demonstrating your potential. Now let's talk money. Rev pays between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute transcribed. This rate varies depending on the complexity of the task and the quality of the audio. While this may not seem like a lot at first, remember, as you gain experience and speed, your earnings will increase accordingly. Rev is a great place to start your transcription journey. Next, let's move to Transcribe Me, a company located in New Zealand. This transcription service provider has gained a fair bit of reputation in the industry, known for its quality service and a supportive community, making it a great option for beginners looking to get their foot in the door. The application process at Transcribe Me is pretty straightforward. You'll first need to complete an online registration form, followed by a short transcription test. Don't worry, they provide a comprehensive guide to help you pass the test. Now let's talk about the pay. Transcribe Me is known to offer some of the best rates in the industry. They pay up to $20 per audio hour, with the average earnings being around $250 per month. This can vary depending on the complexity of the audio file and the speed of your transcription, so keep that in mind. Transcribe Me is well known for its supportive community for beginners. Now let's talk about Scribey, a company based in India. Scribey has made a name for itself in the transcription industry, boasting a friendly platform and a supportive community of transcribers. The application process is straightforward. Prospective transcribers apply online, take a test, and then, if successful, can start accepting jobs. The great thing about Scribey is that it offers flexibility, allowing you to choose when and how much you want to work. But let's talk about the pay. Scribey offers a rate of $10 per audio hour. Now remember, this is per audio hour, not the time it takes you to transcribe. So it's essential to factor in your typing speed and efficiency. There's also a monthly bonus for every 3 hours completed, so the potential to increase your earnings is there. And payments are made via PayPal, which is convenient for most. Scribey might be a great option if you're looking for international opportunities. Our fourth company is Go Transcript, located in the UK. This company is well known for its reputation in providing high-quality transcription services across the globe. To apply, you simply need to visit their website and take a simple test. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. They are looking for people with a good grasp of English and an eye for detail. They provide an online platform where you can conveniently work from home or anywhere you choose. They have a vast client base, which means there's always work available. The best part? You have the freedom to pick the projects that you want to work on. Now let's talk money. Go Transcript offers competitive pay rates for transcriptionists. They pay up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. If we break it down, it roughly translates to anywhere between $10 to $15 per hour depending on your speed and efficiency. Go Transcript offers a good balance of pay and flexibility, so if you're looking for a beginner-friendly transcription job, this might be the one for you. Moving on, let's discuss QuickTate, a US-based company. QuickTate has been around for a while, earning a reputation for reliability and a user-friendly platform. Now, if you're interested in applying, the process is quite straightforward. Simply visit their website and fill out an application form. As part of the application process, you'll need to take a quiz to demonstrate your transcription skills. QuickTate handles a variety of transcription tasks, from medical and legal documents to voicemails and memos. So you can expect a lot of diversity in your work. This can be a great opportunity to expand your transcription skills and experience different types of content. As for the pay, QuickTate offers a pay rate that's calculated on a per-word basis. While this might not seem like much at first, the volume of work available can make it a profitable venture. QuickTate is known for its variety of transcription tasks. Next up, we have Tigerfish. This company is also based in the US. Tigerfish has built a reputation for its commitment to quality and accuracy in the transcription industry. It's a company that values diligence and attention to detail, making it an ideal place for those who take pride in their work. Applying for a job at Tigerfish is a straightforward process. You'll need to visit their website and navigate to the Careers section. From there, you can fill out an application form and complete a transcription test. If you pass the test, you'll be invited for an interview. When it comes to remuneration, Tigerfish offers competitive pay rates. While the exact figures can vary, depending on the project and your experience level, you can generally expect to earn between $15 to $20 per hour. Tigerfish could be your choice if you're seeking a challenge. We've now covered half of the companies on our list. Let's take a moment to revisit these powerhouses of transcription in the industry. We started with Rev, a San Francisco-based company that emphasizes flexibility. They offer a pay rate of around $8 to $10 per hour, and you can apply directly on their website. Perfect for those who value control over their work hours and enjoy a straightforward application process. Next, we moved on to TranscribeMe. This company, also located in San Francisco, offers a slightly higher pay rate of $15 to $22 per hour. They stand out with their supportive community and ongoing training opportunities. It's an excellent choice for beginners seeking professional development. Our third stop was Scribey, headquartered in Fremont, California. They offer a pay rate of $5 to $25 per hour and have an easy-to-use platform. They're known for their fast and automated transcription process, making it an enticing option for tech-savvy transcribers. Then, we discussed GoTranscript, a UK-based company with a pay rate of up to $60 per audio hour. They pride themselves on their friendly environment and offer feedback on your work to help you improve. QuickTate was next on our list. This Los Angeles-based company offers a pay rate of 1 cent for every 4 words transcribed. They specialize in voicemail messages, memos, letters, and other short audio files. It's a fantastic option if you prefer working with shorter, manageable tasks. Lastly, we covered Tigerfish, a company based in San Francisco with a pay rate of around $4 to $5 per audio minute. They have a reputation for providing complex and interesting transcription projects, a great fit for those who love a good challenge. In our next video, we'll dive into the remaining 6 companies. These include industry giants and promising newcomers alike, each offering unique opportunities in the field of transcription. Remember, each of these companies offers unique opportunities. Choose the one that best suits your needs and skills.